Psalm 34 verse 18, "The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit." Matthew 5 verse 4, "Blessed are those who mourn, for they will be comforted." Revelation 21 verse 4, "He will wipe every tear from their eyes." There will be no more death or mourning or crying or pain, for the old order of things has passed away. John 14 verse 1, "Do not let your hearts be troubled. You believe in God, believe also in me." 2 Corinthians 1 verses 3 to 4, "Praise be to the God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ, the Father of compassion and the God of all comfort, who comforts us in all our troubles." Psalm 147 verse 3, "He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds." Romans 8 verses 38 to 39, "For I am convinced that neither death nor life, neither angels nor demons, neither the present nor the future, nor any powers, will be able to separate us from the love of God." Isaiah 41 verse 10, "So do not fear, for I am with you, do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you." 1 Thessalonians 4 verses 13 to 14, "We do not want you to be uninformed about those who sleep in death. We believe that Jesus died and rose again, and so we believe that God will bring with Jesus those who have fallen asleep in him." Psalm 23 verse 4, "Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me, your rod and your staff, they comfort me." Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.